Hello guys, I'm Dr. Asher Khanna. Today this is how to say a very weird unboxing. I don't know am I gonna put this on my channel or not, but I just thought of doing it. I just ordered some notes yesterday and today I've got it. So I just thought of sharing it with you. So let's see how it goes. You see, these all are the notes that I'm gonna read in the coming 6 months. So can you see? These are all 19 notes. They are mixed. Some are from PrepLadder, some are from Marrow. So it is going to be a great journey. I'm really very much excited to hop on and see what is gonna happen, and I'm excited. Yes. So let's see. Guys, one thing I want to clear out before only that these are not the official notes I have ordered from the bookstore. I was confused as to what to do, and I just landed up to a conclusion that I don't want to spend more money on this. Hence I have bought the notes like this, and I'm planning to get the Marrow Plan B subscription for the QBank and the test series. So yes, did not want to spend more, so hence I'm just going with this strategy. So yeah, let's see. Wow, pharma. I'm going with Gobind Rai Garg medicine. I don't know how I'm gonna finish this in next 10 days, but we'll do it. This is Deepak Marbas. Next is Biochem. Biochem is Marrow, Rebecca James. Yes, I find them good. FMT, our very own Jamar sir, again from Marrow. Surgery again is from Marrow, Dr. Rohan Khandelwal. Anatomy is again from Marrow. Notes are good actually, the quality of notes, I guess. Marrow's notes I feel are a little better, but PrepLadder has also improved, and they've launched the new 4th edition or something, the latest notes. Anesthesia. Next is OBGY, Obs-Gynae, Sakshi Arora, Marrow again. Yeah, they for example, see, Obs-Gynae is how much? Let me tell you the number of pages. Wow, there's no index here. Nevertheless, it is 439 pages. But it is. Let me show you. See, it's not jam-packed. If you see here, there is enough space in the empty spaces for you to write the active stuff, or if you want to add on anything from the question bank, or if you feel that you have missed any point or any relevant information, you can just add on to it here. There's plenty in the ample space here and there, so I don't think there would be any problem of that sort. That is why it has taken more number of pages, I guess. Yeah, it is doable, no issues. OBGY. Now ortho again. Marrow, Dr. Abbas Ali. Yes, it has a lot of images. Patho, Patho, again I have gotten this marrow notes, because Patho is something which needs the main information, like it needs because around 25 questions are being asked in the NEET PG from pathology alone, and it forms a major chunk of medicine too. So I just thought of clearing the concepts and everything before just starting on with the latter part of the revision and the preparation. Psychiatry, Dr. Praveen Tripathi from the Prep Ladder. Physio I have again from Marrow. And yes, as there is time constraint, what I have planned to do is and I'm planning to make this journey like every day. I'll make a video of 5 minutes or 7 minutes, and I'll tell everything, like what I'm gonna do and what I did and how I am thinking about my preparation, how much confident I am. For now I'm thinking to go along with these notes, and from Marrow I'm going to watch the intern mode videos, and the rest I'm going to watch the Prep Ladder videos for a couple of subjects I think which are very lengthy, but they are not that productive in terms of the marks and the questions being asked in the main exam. So for those videos I guess I'll go with the rapid revision from Prep Ladder 2. So but there aren't much subjects in that regard. So this is pediatrics again, I guess this is this Prep Ladder, Meenakshi Bothra. This is Oftha, our very own Prep Ladder, Dr. Shashwat Ray. I don't know why there is no front page with this. ENT, Dr. Saravjeet. Yeah, I'm liking these notes a lot. Dermat, Dr. Soni. Derma. Radio I'm planning to do the rapid revision thing, which is around 9 hours, because radio is something which I missed previously as well, but I think I'll be able to make it this time. Yes, radio. PSM, Vivek Jain. Yeah, I think it is concise enough. Just 177 pages, and even they are not mixed up, so there is good space for some other stuff as well. Micro again, Prep Ladder. So yes, these are my notes, and this was the unboxing and the basic strategy, or how I'm going to start on with the preparation. For now I have thought, as I already told you, to make a 5-minute video daily and to see how it proceeds and where I land up after 6 months. So let's go on with this journey. See you guys. Thank you so much.